channel. If you're new here, my name is Oma. Today's video is going to be not more of a review because I've worked with Iseehair before and their brand is like top notch. They're like the best. So this is more like me introducing you to a new wig from Iseehair, and this is how the package came. Of course, Iseehair has the best luxury packaging ever. You know that brand that gives you princess treatment? Yes, that's Iseehair. This wig came with a hair bonnet, a silk bonnet, 4 lashes, wig cap, HD and regular wig cap, and also accessories. That's extra accessories aside the one that is already in your wig. So in this accessory bag we have elastic band, of course, close-up look of what the elastic band looks like, and extra combs. Aside the combs that is already on the wig, you get this extra comb in case this one gets stolen or misplaced. So why I say stolen is because I know my sisters. It also comes with this pamphlet to help you install your wig and give you extra details on your wig. So we're working with this unit, Kinky Coily 24 inches wig from Iseehair. Of course, let's take this out quickly. This thing is taking time. Let's take this out quickly because I know you can't wait. I know you can't wait to see what this wig looks like. I personally can't wait to. I'm just gonna take this out, and here we go, guys. This is the wig. It came with its comb. These combs are detachable, of course, and you guys saw earlier that I showed you the extra combs that came with the wig. Elastic band. I love this elastic band, like it's so cute for some reason. And here is the band. It's adjustable, extra combs to help your wig sit well, secure your wig. This wig is not going anywhere, and inside this wig is well sewn, very neat. I see here you guys are honestly the best, really. Well, here's the reason why this wig is called the M cap, because of the match ear shape. This makes the wig sit at the back of your ear comfortably, no pain. I don't need to talk too much. You need to get this hair, you need to get this wig to understand what I'm saying. And as you can see, the wig came pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. Look at the hairline. The hairline speaks HD lace or nothing. And of course, it's going to be a Glueless install. So guys, this is the wig straight out of the box. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. I didn't apply foundation on it to melt it, but you can see that everything fits well, like it's melting so well, even without melting spray, glue or anything. And this is one thing I love about Iseehair. Like, you guys are on another level, I'm telling you. Guys, honestly, this M ear shape makes it so easy and comfortable for me to wear this wig. I see here, you guys are actually the best. It's the fact that you guys take so much time to pay attention to things that will make your customer satisfied. And that is it, guys. We're done. We're good to go. That is it. I'm going to use my contour kit and this contour brush to blend this well on my skin. That's my forehead. You know, it's a bit darker, so magic. It's not magical. When you buy a good hair, you will know. You will know. It's not magic. I didn't perform any magic. You guys saw me do everything here. And Stephanie, this wig texture is so lush. Like, even with the fact that we've not applied conditioner, mousse or anything, I really love the texture. But to pronounce and define the coils more, would need to apply water and then my mousse. Here's final look of this gorgeous wig from Iseehair. Guys, see, when I say there's Iseehair and other brands, believe me, because Iseehair, honestly, they are on another level. Like, they're not from here. I don't know where they get these ideas from. And this wig is completely glueless. This install was done without any glue, melting spray, absolutely nothing, nada. And it looks very natural. I mean, it's Wear and Go by Iseehair. What are you expecting? Especially with the new M cap match ear shape. That's this that helps your ear. You know, when you wear wigs and it's on your ear and it's hurting and all those like uncomfortable situation, this particular cap or innovation from Iseehair helps you wear your wig comfortably for as long as you want. There's no ear pain, no issues at all. And like I said earlier, this wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. Absolutely nothing was done. Only applied my foundation, which was not really necessary because I don't see so much difference. But Iseehair is a brand that speaks for itself. And with the newly improved combs, that's the detachable combs, your wig is secured. For those of you that is always scared, oh, when I get into the water, when I get into the pool, my wig is going to fall off, my wig is going to see. My wig is not moving, it's not even shifting, it's not. See, come and fight me now. It's going to be very difficult for your wig to move because the comb helps the wig sit well on your head, and the elastic bands too. Like, everything about Iseehair is speaking innovation, is speaking soft girl light, speaking advanced technology. If there's anything like that. So if you would love to get this wig, if you'd love to shop this wig, details on this wig is in my description box below. Please check, click and shop this luxury hair from Iseehair. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great one. Please before you end this video, subscribe if you haven't, like and share this video. Bye.